Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to muffle sound in CapCut. Here are the steps to muffle sound in CapCut. First things first is to open the CapCut on your mobile device. Tap the New Project button. Select the video or audio clip you want to edit, and then tap Add. Tap the audio track or video with audio and the timeline to select it. Scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap Volume. Lower the volume to make the audio softer. It's only an optional. Then hit the check mark to confirm. Now, scroll to and select and tap Audio Effects. Browse or search for Muffler. You can tap on it to preview it, or tap on Low, or a similar filter. Tap the effect to preview it. Now, adjust its pitch and timbre on the timeline. Tap the check mark to confirm and preview your muffled audio in the project. Tip: you can also manually muffle audio by exporting it using a separate app to apply EQ filters, then re-importing it into CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.